Welcome to RestoCycle. We just had a really great chuckle that we will share with you. So we get to work with some really great collaborators, really great ones. And one of them is a gentleman named Preston Marks. Preston is in Dunedin, Florida, and he does CBX engine work, among other things, but mostly he does engine work anymore. And man, he's built more engines than I've lived years on this planet, which is not a small number. So Preston, who does many things, including give lots of free advice to people who are building engines, also sells blueprinted oil pumps for the Honda CBX. He takes the oil pump you send him, he built a test jig, he runs it, rebuilds it, cleans up all the surfaces, makes sure it's all perfect, and he runs it through a little test jig to make sure it's putting out all the oil pressure it possibly could, so your CBX engine is as healthy as it can be, because they use those Babbitt bearings and everything floats on a film of oil, and if you don't have oil pressure, you're in trouble. So, great service that he does. So I sent Preston some stuff a week or so ago that he needed, I forget what it was even, and we sent our usual bag of Skitles in the box. So Preston sent me a oil pump today. He sent me an oil pump for a project, an engine that we're building, and just arrived, and I opened it up, and I'm like, something smells kind of delicious here. And this is what was in the box. There's my CBX oil pump, and there's a bunch of delicious dry roasted peanuts, and these look like Girl Scout cookies to me, but whatever they are, they're going down my neck pretty shortly. So Preston, you are one of a kind, and I really appreciate you. Thanks so much for the great service on the oil pump. Thanks so much for the peanuts. We'll all enjoy them, and thanks for the delicious cookies too. All right, you guys have a great day.